Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. Back from the West Virginia trip, and it appears as, in the Cadillac, it appears as though I have a wheel bearing going out. So we're gonna go, I've already done the driver's side probably a year and a half ago, and got another one, got a spare part just in case I needed it again. So I wanted to do a video before I fix it and show you kind of what it sounds like. So it's gonna be a humming noise that changes with speed and not RPMs. So as in when your RPMs increase in first gear, this noise will also increase, but then when your RPMs shift, you're not going to have a change with the RPMs. Like the sound's not going to get quieter. So I'm going to put the camera over here toward it. It'll sound like a humming, like a noise like that, and just get louder and louder and quicker as you speed up. So we'll see if it'll catch it. And I can hear it clear now. It's humming. And one way you can actually tell what side it is to kind of do this number in the car when it's safe to do, like on a back road. And whenever I turn left, so more weight is on the right side of the car, it gets louder. And whenever I turn right, so more weight is on the left side of the car, it gets quieter. But there's just a humming sound. I hope you guys can hear it. And that's a really good way to, or that's a way with audio that you can diagnose a wheel bearing. Typically the wheel bearing. You can also jack the car up and pull like toward you on the top and the bottom of the tire, and the wheel may have some looseness, which is not normal. But that's normally with a more advanced wheel bearing failure, I believe. So what I do on most cars, I've done this on some Ford Edges and everything, I just order the whole hub assembly because it's more money than the wheel bearing, but then you don't have to take it somewhere and get the bearing pushed in. So yeah, we'll head back over to Mom and Dad's and to the garage, and we will work on it. I'll walk you through how to replace it. Alrighty, here we are with our wheel bearing. We're gonna take the tire off, jack it up, and be right back. Alright, I got it jacked up, and what I'm doing first is gonna loosen this axle nut. It's a 34 mil. So I got the breaker bar. Don't have any WD-40, so I'm gonna use some garage door lube and just kind of goop it up there. And then I'm gonna break the axle nut loose with the breaker bar, and then I'll take the wheel off. Just want to do this while it's on the ground so you're not turning the hub. Welcome back to the... Alright, so there's two 15s right here. There's a 15 right here, and then a 15 down there to hold the caliper bracket on. And then we're going to unhook this guy, loosen the axle nut, and give it a tap so it goes back in. Take the rotor off, and then there's three 13s. One is right here, one's on top, and then one's on the other side over here. Right there. So we'll take those off, and then we'll put the, will you hand me that? The hub? Yeah. I mean, it's kind of heavy. Yep. So then the new hub will go in. Here's the three holes in the back I'm talking about. There's one here, and one here, just basically in a big triangle on the back. So we'll take those off and then show you what it looks like. Oh yeah, we got the new one installed. I wish you could see how much shinier it was, but so here's the old one, and it goes right here. And here is a better look at this bolts I was telling you about on the back. There's 1, 2, 3, and then this little sensor that goes through the hole in the hub and then mounts right here. But that's pretty much it. Your bearing is right here, and then the whole hub is this whole thing, but I just went ahead and replaced the whole thing. So we're back in business. I'm sweaty, really dirty. But the car's going to be back in business. So wheel's going to go back on. I'm going to finish putting the brake back on. And she'll be driving again. Alright guys, here's the maiden voyage with the new wheel bearing and hub. Let's see if we get any noise. Smooth as butter. Nice. So I really hope you guys could hear, sorry man, I really hope you guys could hear, and I'll look back at the video before I post it, but I really hope you guys could hear the noise. And like I said, it just gets gradually louder. Turn the air on. It gets gradually louder with speed, not RPMs. So yeah, it's not hard at all. There's tons of other videos on here that are more in depth than what I can do because I don't have a lift. But yeah, I hope the videos I post just kind of inspire some of you to do your own work, that you don't need to carry it to a mechanic. Unless your time is just worth more than money, or you make more money in the time you would work on your car. Or you know, you just enjoy it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching and have a good day.